Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best espresso machines available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have Mr. Coffee Espresso Machine. It is connect with one simple touch. Mr. Coffee Cafe Barista Premium Espresso and Cappuccino System brews espresso and automatically froths milk for cappuccino and latte selections. It has one-touch controls, let you choose between single or double shots, and automatically froths milk with an adjustable control knob. You can skip the trip or long lines at the local coffee shop, and easily create extraordinary coffee drinks at home with Mr. Coffee One Touch Coffee House. On number 4 we have Chefman Espresso Machine. You can discover the best way to brew your coffee shop usual right in your kitchen. The Chefman Espresso Maker is the premium coffee brewer you have been missing. This 6-in-1 machine features a one-touch button for single and double espresso cappuccino at home. The espresso machine features a powerful 15-bar pump and a large 1.8-liter water reservoir. The sleek stainless steel finish looks great on any kitchen counter and cleans easily with the wipe of a sponge, so you can always have your countertop looking great. On number 3 we have Mr. Coffee Espresso Machine. You can skip the trip or long lines at the local coffee shop, and easily create extraordinary coffee drinks at home with Mr. Coffee One Touch Coffee House. It is connect with a simple press of a button. You can make espressos, cappuccinos and lattes within minutes. You can choose from a single or double shot of espresso, and then let the automatic milk frother steam the milk of your choice into a light and airy foam. On number 2 we have Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine. You can enjoy your favorite espresso drink at the cafe you call home without waiting in line or paying the bill. The Hamilton Beach Espresso Machine with steamer features a powerful 15-bar Italian pump that extracts cup after cup of rich espresso using ground coffee or pre-measured soft pods. On number 1 we have Calphalon Espresso Machine. The Calphalon Temp IQ Espresso Machine uses precision heating technology to evenly heat for great tasting espresso. The espresso machine features thermal block heating and temperature control to evenly heat during the espresso extraction, combined with pre-infusion to bloom the espresso grounds for maximum flavor. Its thermal block heating technology and temperature control delivers even heat for consistently great tasting espresso. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.